My name is Shahnum Fatima and I am from 7th B from Christ King English Medium School. I am going to speak about science exhibition. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November in our school, and it is celebrated grandly in our school. Our students of our institution have made great science model which is awesome using their innovative ideas and unique innovations they have made. Thank you.
This is water slide. It has a DC pump and it pumps the water. It moves continuously. It is connected to a electricity, and it has two batteries in it. We can adjust the current in using this plug, and it has LED lights, and it is water aquarium, and it has fishes.
So what
To decorate.
to decorate the aquarium or what?
Decorate the house.
House.
Yes.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सन्वी है। मैं अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा भाग्यशाली समझती हूँ क्योंकि मैं क्राइस्ट किंग की विद्यार्थिनी हूँ। यहाँ पर हम हर एक उत्सव को बड़े धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। यहाँ पे आज बहुत सारे स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं और ऐसा मौका सिर्फ क्राइस्ट किंग के बच्चों को ही मिलता है। आप सबको बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।